Hey, Jack. So you obviously talked to your client after the sentencing. How's he doing? What's his reaction?
We are both disappointed in what happened today, and we're definitely going to take an appeal.
What grounds?
Well, I think the judge minimized the transformation that this guy has made since he's been in prison. He's done a lot of things to change his attitude, his behavior, and I don't think the judge gave him enough credit for that.
Jack, you seem to reject the framing by the government that Josh Perez was a, quote, kingpin. Is that right?
I don't think he was a kingpin. And let me say that in some of the grand jury testimony that I got about 10 days ago, the pill maker admitted that he had a supervisory role in this organization. And I'm going to see whether at the time of his sentencing he gets pumped up because he was a leader.
The government sentencing memorandum was not flattering to the defendant's uncles. What was your reaction when you read what the government put in there?
For me, that is the most disgusting part of this whole case. They have ruined the reputation of two responsible and law-abiding public servants. And I think that the government went out of its way to make a mountain hill out of a mole. And that was, if you read the conversation that they relied on, there's nothing wrong with what the Sergeant Perez had to say. He didn't say anything about anything that would disclose to the defendant there was an investigation going on. He didn't give him any tips how to avoid prosecution. So I don't know why they made such a thing about it. It's simply nothing there.
And from your understanding, their investigation into the police department is done. Is that right?
Yeah, as far as I can. Yeah, and let me say this about the chief. They didn't have a single word about him in anything that's been said, and they've still been critical of him.
Okay.
And I don't think that's fair.
And you have 14 days to file an appeal? Okay.
It'll be done tomorrow.
All right. Thanks, Jack.